AI Wealth Machine has been circulating online as a supposed done-for-you system that uses artificial intelligence to generate passive income. It is promoted with bold claims such as requiring no prior experience, needing no product to sell, and even being able to automatically rank websites on Google to make money. On the surface, these promises sound appealing, but they are also classic red flags commonly associated with online scams. Independent checks reveal that the domains linked to AI Wealth Machine have extremely poor trust scores and were only recently registered. Scam detection tools flag the sites as suspicious with reliability ratings as low as 3 out of 100. This lack of history and transparency suggests a high risk of fraud. Furthermore, a YouTube reviewer who investigated the system pointed out that while AI tools can help with certain tasks, the idea of an entirely automated system that builds websites, ranks them on Google, and generates guaranteed income is simply unrealistic. Even legitimate AI in finance has well documented limitations. Industry experts consistently warn that AI systems often provide incomplete or inaccurate advice, and they cannot account for individual financial needs such as taxes, liquidity, or long-term planning. Research shows that AI-powered chatbots and robo-advisors can make mistakes up to 35% of the time. Even hedge funds that invest billions into advanced AI technology stress the need for human oversight. In contrast, AI Wealth Machine provides no credible evidence of success, no regulatory approval, and no verifiable customer results, only vague promises. Verdict: AI Wealth Machine shows multiple warning signs of being a scam. The unrealistic marketing claims, poor domain reputation, lack of transparency, and absence of reliable third-party verification all point toward it being a high-risk scheme. While AI is making waves in the financial industry, any system that guarantees effortless wealth should be approached with extreme caution. If you are considering AI-driven financial tools, it is far safer to stick with regulated and established robo-advisors or platforms backed by proven results.